Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to add Grammarly keyboard on Android device. So first of all, to begin the installation, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and then download the application on your device. If you already have a Grammarly account, choose login and enter your login information. And if you don't have account, so create a Grammarly account, it's free. Next, follow the installation instructions. So tap on the enable in settings button, switch Grammarly keyboard on, tap switch input method, select Grammarly keyboard, go to any app and tap on any text field. And if you don't yet see a green Grammarly logo in the top left corner of the app, tap on the globe icon on your keyboard and select the Grammarly keyboard. So friends, that's it. By this easy and simple setting, you can add Grammarly keyboard on your Android device. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.